Now, when you're in Power BI and you have a particular file open as we do, you can see at the bottom here that we've got page 1. And you can have multiple pages in your report. Now, this first page, I'd like to double click its name and call it Dashboard. So you can easily double click a page name and rename it at any point. You could also right click and rename a page as well. And notice you can also duplicate a page if you wanted to. Now, if I hit this plus over here, this actually allows me to create a new page. So I'm going to add a new page. It calls it page 1. I double click and I call it summary. Now you may notice the little X in the top right corner as well. That, if you click it, would delete a page. So let me just show you if I delete that page. Are you sure you want to delete this page? So I go delete. And if I want it back, I create a new page, double click and call it summary again. So we now know how to insert pages, and we also know how to delete pages. And remember, you can right click and duplicate a page, rename a page, delete a page, or even hide a page. Those are the sorts of things you can do with pages. But I need you to also be aware that you can actually also add a page by simply going to insert, new page, and that way you can also add a blank page or a duplicate page. But I think it's just as easy to work down here at the bottom of your screen. So that's working with pages.